Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the gold market. So you can see, yes, the market indeed has shown the upward action. We have talked about this, that market should climb a bit higher, but definitely the rally that we saw yesterday was absolutely not what we did mean during our yesterday's video. For us, we mostly were watching for upward action just to get better levels for a possible take in the short position if market would form there some bearish reversal patterns, because this rally up is normal reaction on daily average sold and hitting of the fib level, and taking into consideration the picture that we have on the weekly chart, it technically it suggests that some two-leg retracement should happen. But rally that we saw yesterday definitely was not the action that we would like to see based on the overall bearish scenario. And then despite the fact that we even got the bearish grabber, as you can see here, I have marked it with the circle because market indeed has trying to break trend to the bullish but failed. This is definitely not the situation at which we would like to go short. At the same time, to go long right now is also not a good idea, because you can see market stands at daily overbought. So probably if you would like to go long, you need to wait some retracement down here. Context for a bearish taken position here also has been broken, because market stand in the breaking of the trend. So if market will move slightly higher and trend will shift bullish, it's probably we will not have any even theoretical chance to go short on the gold market. So in current environment, we see this behavior that's not quite rational in relation to the data that we've got recently, and it was not only on the gold market, but I think that the financial markets mostly responds to a lack of the correlation between the statistics and major assets in the United States economy. So you can see on the short-term treasury bonds yield, you will see that it has dropped despite the statistics was positive and showing the increasing of the inflation. This miscorrelation has led to impact on other markets, as in the euro accounts and on the gold market as well. So when the gold traders see that the yields are dropping in relation to the better inflation, that of course will push gold price higher, because major driving factor for the gold is rising inflation, and you see that yields are dropping. Diminish the effect of the possible rate increase, and maybe the bond traders do not believe that this will support somehow the rising yields. This gives the more support to the gold market. Anyway, whatever has happened here, it's not the gradual upward action that we that should become the reason for our short position taking for short position here. That was quite different behavior that mostly canceled the idea of the taking the short here, and it's not really a good idea for taking taking the short position against this rally. That's why currently on the daily chart of the gold market, we hardly could do something, because to go short, it's not definitely a good moment for that on the daily chart. And at the same time, it's a bit early to go long, because as I said, market stands at daily overbought, and you need to wait some retracement if you still would like to go long. Besides, it's a bit unclear situation with the grabber. It has been formed. Theoretically, it's valid, but probably it will need to see what will happen. So, for confirmation of the bullish changing on the situation to the bullish side, we need to see some erasing of this grabber and moving the market to the previous tops. So, canceling totally the possible bearish context. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, trend still stands up. Market has broken all fib levels to the upside. Just the minor level stands here. It's almost the same as in the euro accounts that we have discussed. 786 minor fib level, 1353. On the way up on this rally, strong candle up, market already has passed through the SOP target, and it's really very fast CD lag here. It means that logical to suggest some upward continuation after some retracement. XOP target on the gold market stands at 1365, precisely at the previous stops. So currently, taking into consideration the momentum of this action, it's not bad chance that it could be reached. But within the today's session, it's more probable to expect maybe some relief, some retracement. Most probable level market could reach, because currently we do not have any tools to calculate it with more precision. Maybe some ABCDs will appear a little bit later, but right now it's 1340, 1342 confidence support. It seems logical the market could reach it since approximately 50% of this thrusting candle. So maybe some kind of the ABCD will be formed. So if you trade on intraday charts, in context have the bullish, maybe this will be a chance to go along with the upward continuation here if you trade on the intraday charts. But on the daily chart, as I said, it's time to wait a bit and see what will happen.